Class 8. Civics Lesson Plan, Geography. Lesson 3 Mineral and Power Resources, Part 1. Q1. Name any 3 common minerals used by you every day. Ans. Salt, copper, iron. Q2. Name 2 naturally occurring radioactive elements. Ans. Uranium and thorium. Q3. Name 1 ore of aluminium. Ans. Bauxite. Q4. Which country is the largest producer of bauxite in the world? Ans. Australia. Q5. Which is the most abundantly found fossil fuel? Ans. Coal. Q6. Which country has the world's largest geothermal power plants? Ans. USA. Q7. Name the place in India which has huge tidal mill farms. Ans. Gulf of Kutch. Q8. Name 2 regions rich in natural gas resources. Ans. Russia and Norway. Q9. Which continent produces more than half of the world's tin ore? Which continent is largest producer of tin? Ans. Asia. Q10. Which continent is the leading producer of iron ore in the world? Or, which continent is largest producer of iron ore? Ans. Europe. Q11. Name 2 minerals in whose production India contributes a significant part. Ans. Mica and salt. Q12. Name the first country to develop hydroelectricity in the world. Or, which was the first country to develop hydroelectricity? Ans. Norway. Q13. In which industry is silicon important? From which ore is it obtained? Ans. Silicon, used in the computer industry, is obtained from quartz. Q14. Which is the world's largest producer of diamonds, gold and platinum? Ans. Africa. Q15. What is mineral? Ans. A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. Q16. Name the leading tin producers in Asia. Ans. China, Malaysia and Indonesia. Q17. Which 2 areas in Australia have large deposits of gold? Ans. Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie. Q18. What is natural gas? Ans. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. Q19. Where are uranium and thorium found in India? Ans. In India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have large deposits of uranium. Thorium is found in large quantities in the monazite sands of Kerala. Q20. Where is the site of the world's first solar and wind-powered bus shelter? Ans. It is in Scotland. Q21. Name some important hydel power stations in India. Ans. Bhakra Nangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjuna and Damodar Valley projects. Q22. Which countries are the leading producers of hydel power in the world? Ans. Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. Q23. Where are geothermal power plants located in India? Ans. Manika Ran in Himachal Pradesh and Puga Valley in Ladakh. Q24. Why is CNG considered as eco-friendly fuel? Ans. Compressed natural gas, CNG, is a popular eco-friendly automobile fuel because it causes less pollution than petroleum and diesel. Q25. Why petroleum is referred to as black gold? Ans. Petroleum is thick black liquid. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. Q26. Write a brief note on mineral salt. Ans. It is obtained from seas, lakes and rocks. India is one of the world's leading producers and exporters of salt. Q27. What are the two main types of power resources? O. What are the two main classifications of power resources? Ans. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non-conventional resources. Q28. How are minerals identified? Ans. Minerals can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness and chemical properties such as solubility. Q29. Which Indian states are the major producers of bauxite? Ans. Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Q30. What are the advantages and disadvantages of geothermal energy? Ans. Advantages. I. Clean, eco-friendly and always available. Disadvantages. I. Located far away from cities and so costly to transport the electricity. Q31. What are the advantages and disadvantages of nuclear energy? Ans. Advantages. I. Emits large amount of energy. Disadvantages. I. Generates radioactive waste. Too expensive. Q32. Why is coal referred to as buried sunshine? Or why is coal called buried sunshine? Or why is coal known as the buried sunshine? Ans. The coal which we are using today was formed millions of years ago when giant ferns and swamps got buried under the layers of earth. Coal is therefore referred to as buried sunshine. Q33. Who are the major producers of natural gas in the world? Ans. Russia, Norway, UK and the Netherlands are the major producers of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna Godavari Delta, Tripura and some areas offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. Q34. All minerals are rocks but all rocks are not minerals. Explain. Ans. Because more than 2,800 types of minerals have been identified but only about 100 are considered ore minerals. Q35. Why are minerals considered non-renewable? Ans. Minerals are a non-renewable resource. It takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which the humans consume these minerals. Q36. Where are mineral deposits located in North America? Ans. They are located in 3 zones: the Canadian region north of the Great Lakes, the Appalachian region and the mountain ranges of the West. Q37. How are minerals classified on the basis of their composition? Ans. They are classified mainly as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are further classified as ferrous or non-ferrous. Q38. How is nuclear energy obtained? Ans. Nuclear power is obtained from energy stored in the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. These fuels undergo nuclear fission in nuclear reactors and emit power. Q39. What is an ore? Where are the ores of metallic minerals generally located? Ans. Rocks from which minerals are mined are known as ores. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rock formations that form large plateaus. Q40. Why environmental aspects must be carefully looked into before building huge dams? Ans. Construction of a huge dam affects the natural vegetation and wildlife of the area adversely. Hence, environmental aspects must be carefully looked into before building huge dams. Q41. Name nuclear power stations in India. Ans. The nuclear power stations in India are located in Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh and Kaga in Karnataka. Q42. Why most industries are concentrated around coal mines? Ans. Coal is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as a domestic fuel and also as a raw material in many industries. Hence, most industries are concentrated around coal mines to reduce the cost of transportation. Q43. Which sources of energy would you suggest for A. Rural areas, B. Coastal areas, C. Arid regions? Ans. Rural areas solar energy, wind energy and biogas energy. Coastal areas wind energy and tidal energy. Arid regions wind energy and solar energy.